Well, they say good things come in small packages, but I have a feeling that this large package has something even better. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's an epic unbagging.
It certainly is.
This is epic can be. I think the title will give it away. We're not going to give any surprises. We are unboxing what?
A rather large coin.
A rather large coin. Is it in silver or gold?
Will be in gold.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the greatest thing I think I've ever witnessed, ever. I mean,
Ever?
we recently sawed a... Well, you recently attempted to saw a 1,000 ounce silver bar in half, and we did it, it worked, it happened eventually, and I'll put a link above, but we are unboxing a 10 kilo gold coin.
We are.
This is crazy, and I'm very, very excited. Give us the backstory on this.
Well, we had someone inquire as to if we could source them a 10 kilo gold coin.
Yep.
So we sourced it.
Cool. Great story, mate.
It has now arrived.
All right. Could have embellished a little, but you know, that's all right.
Well, you know, that's pretty much what it is. If you need it, we can find it.
Ah, very good. Look at this.
However, unwrapping it could be a challenge.
Yeah.
It's another bag inside here.
Yeah, bag within a bag. So this is a 10 kilo gold coin, and let's find out which 10 kilo gold coin it is. Of course, if you're looking for a 10 kilo gold coin, you can send us an email, sales@bullionnow.com.au. Give us a call, 1300 84 84 10. Oh man.
Ah!
A bag within another bag.
I guess with the value of this coin, it's probably worth sealing and resealing and sealing again.
Well, I saw an armoured tank rolling down Collins Street about an hour ago. So I think that's what delivered this this puppy right here.
Look, Brett's going to be cranky with me. Spread fluff all over his clean floor.
I'll put a time code to the point where we actually...
We've had an equipment failure. Rubes, can you get me another? Yeah, thanks, mate.
Safety first, please.
I'd say throw it over, but I'm on camera. I might get into trouble from someone for throwing
Oh,
throwing knives.
Oh, Mate, you throw knives around, you leave chainsaws on the ground while they're on.
It was secure. You just couldn't see that off camera.
It was secure. Alright, do it, yeah. This is the good way to do it.
Oh, you can tell I'm a bush pig.
Yes, no further comment. Hey mate, watch my feet.
The townies, they worry about all sorts of things.
I'm not a townie. I grew up in the mountains, man.
Oh, come on!
Yeah, the mountains. And the mountains, I
Am
tell
I
you.
allowed to say what mountain?
The Dandenong Ranges.
Yes, that's right.
Not to be confused with Dandenong. The Dandenong Ranges.
Yes,
I'm a bush.
because that's so far out
I'm
in the
a bush pig like you. I'm a bush boy. I'm up in the hills.
Yeah,
Close enough.
close enough.
Close enough. I think that was a good midway point. Actually,
You can still get home delivery there, mate.
perfect midway point between being a city slicker and being a country bumpkin
You reckon?
was growing up in the Dandenong Ranges. So I had the best of both worlds. There you go. All right. Jeez, was that all that for that?
Yes.
Oh my god. All right, this is it. That was all that packaging for this. All right. We want to do a slow reveal here. Slow reveal. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to open a 10 kilo. Oop, invoice out. A 10 kilo gold coin.
Now, I am going to use gloves. Oh, look at that. They even included gloves for me. But I'll use ours.
Ladies and gentlemen, this you are looking at a 10 kilo. Can you move that bit of plastic, please? 10 kilo
Patience, my dear boy. Patience.
gold snake. Perth Mint. Year of the Snake Series 2 from 2013.
Great.
It's 10 kilos, mate. It's
I know.
Look at
It's
that.
just, it's half the size. Rubes, could you grab one of the 10 kilo coins? The snake, if we've got it.
Oh,
So we'll do a size comparison between that.
Oh, it is much smaller. Yeah, the mass of
The density.
Of the density, sorry,
Yeah.
the density, thank you. The density of gold is really going to show through here with these larger sizes. That is a 10 kilo gold coin. So for those who can't wrap their heads around it, that's worth approximately what?
$750,000 in Australian dollars.
Yep.
So it's actually just over $750,000.
Wow.
So at current spot price.
Yep.
So, and it comes with certificate. This is number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4. Do you want me to
Look
open
at
this
that.
up?
Yeah, sure.
If it's not sealed.
It is not sealed.
So those of you who collect the gilded coins and the proof coins from the Perth Mint will recognise
Yep.
the type of
just a larger version.
just the certificate there.
That is so cool. Yep, gold content. Beautiful.
Not the sort of thing you see on a gold coin every day, is it?
Nope, 10 kilo.
Gold content, 321.5 ounces in the one coin.
That is
So just to
awesome.
give you a size comparison, Ruben's got the... Actually, we might go side by side, Rubes, because I don't know if the table will cope with all of that.
I reckon it might. You put one on one side, put one on the other. I reckon it might be okay.
You can hold it up next to it.
Here you go, mate. Family portrait. I got the mouse on stage. The fan favourite from a previous video. Hi.
Featuring previously, look at this. So this is the 10 kilo mouse versus the 10 kilo snake. That is just, look at the difference. See if we can line them. Am I holding you up too much to hold
Yeah, that's all right.
10 kilo? Look at that. The difference is huge because of the density of gold versus silver. That is wonderful. Thank you, Ruben.
heavy after a while.
Thanks, Rubes. You may go.
Thank you.
That is fantastic. Look at that. So we just really wanted to...
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. We just really wanted to highlight the fact that we got this in. It is not available for sale. Again, it was I guess you call it a custom order, I guess. A special... this is the thing, you develop a relationship with a bullion dealer.
That's right.
And you can tell give the whole relationship thing.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's not all about price. Price is important, don't get me wrong. But it's not all about price, it's relationship with your bullion dealer, because they can be a great source of information, they can be a great source of inside knowledge, and they can also be a great source of product and price. So we discussed in a recent video how, because we had a good relationship with the customer, they sold us back a large quantity of gold, and we were able to offer them a higher price because we knew we could move it fairly quickly, and we had good relationships with both the buyer and the seller. So the seller got a better price for his gold, and the buyer got a better price on a buy price because we could move it through fairly quickly.
Yep.
And that all comes back to relationships. So when we had someone say, look, I'm after a 10 kilo coin, can you source me one? Then because we knew we had a good relationship with this person and we wanted to keep cultivating that relationship, we went out of our way and sourced the 10 kilo gold coin.
Can we see the other side, because we have yet to see the obverse. Of course, we know what's on the other side, but we just want to look. Oh, and I want to talk about what the value is on that. The fiat dollar. Oh, get out of town! Really? Only 30,000.
Only?
Only 30,000 versus three quarters of a mil.
We should do a video taking this down the street, seeing if we could buy the shopping with it.
Of course, Majesty the Queen, again 2013, 10 kilo. Mate, I have never seen that in the flesh, and now I have. That's so cool. You would think, because we did a video about the, remember it was the $10,000 kilo coin, but that was when, that year, they did the $10,000 face value rather than the whatever it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is just beautiful. Alright, that is the epic unbagging and a look at a huge 10 kilo gold coin. It's not going to be in the store, unfortunately, for you guys to come in and have a hold in that, but we still have, we've got the mouse and stuff that you can come in with the silver. Anything else they need to know?
No, that's it. If you want a 10 kilo gold coin and can afford it, let us know and we'll source you one as well.
Absolutely. And head over to bullionnow.com.au, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. That was epic.
That was epic.
It was epic. That's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.